In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen.
Yes, God. Congratulations, we have a reason to celebrate. Namagunga deanery to Esajjakudde. Yoga, yoga. Namagunga deanery, all Namagunga communica. Yoga, yoga. We are celebrating Maria. Sakasaza komula mumbe Saint Francis Namawojjolo. Esajjakudde omumwe. Anti-parish mercy of favorite Randy Father John Jesus Cole Sarah God Yahoo Chumbo Atengeni Wafe Abaniza Abasunda Mafe Bishop Christopher Kabuza Bishop Matias Sekamani Reverend Fathers Never Reverend Sisters God bless these sacrament sisters from Lugazi and Chirumbo Praise to my Nana Masabela Agate. Thank you for coming. Welcome to Namagunga deanery, a hill of blessings and joy. Ayibukama, mbabula banate. Oh Lord, let me see again. Namagunga parish, bakuna letinera mukana yekale. Ekasima balugera, kachongera kwenda Bishop Wafe. Bishop Christopher Kabuza, eyeketua. Adachitele na chiteka wano, wane Namagunga. Omuni parish, zizino, Lugazi, na minyamiko. Namagunga, yene kwa sabu parish, zizino. Namagunga kanoga wasuri Aikekaba St. Francis Amogoro Simuka Nyinji Director Madam St. Francis Mama Tutoga Weba Letuzimbia Sabeo We got a home away from home Katumika Wakala Congratulations, we have a reason to celebrate. Namagunga deanery to Esajjakudde. Yoga, yoga. Namagunga deanery, all Namagunga communica. We are celebrating Maria. Sakasaza komula mumbe Saint Francis Namawojjolo. Esajjakudde
Francis Echali.
Are you a couple, family or group looking for a cool, serene atmosphere at the adequate venue for a day out for the best in entertainment and leisure? Kelly's Travelers Inn is here for you. Kelly's Travelers Inn is located at Kobiri in Nama Sub-County, Mukono District, 3 miles from the heart of Mukono along Mukono-Kayunga Road. Just 17 miles from Meta Golf Club and only 26 miles from Uganda Golf Club in Kampala, Kelly's Travelers Inn offers the best choice for revelers looking for undisturbed peace, quiet and rest. Get the rare opportunity to taste the feel of Uganda's traditional dishes, Orient, European and other delicacies prepared by the best chefs. Our accommodation rates are among the best in town and designed to suit our clients' pace with the prime objective of attraction for a second visit. We accept online bookings for accommodation, specially organized meals conforming to your choice of dishes, parties including birthdays, weddings, get-togethers, graduation and others. Don't hesitate to come and try our history-making hospitality, bed and breakfast, dinner, DSTV and free Wi-Fi, single and twin rooms meeting your preference. Kelly's Travelers Inn has a specially designed format to offer you a hideout in the city sensation and at the same time giving you comfort that ensures privacy away from the hustle and bustle of town.